quick review of how to share your link for your MS Teams and itsLearning. Start with your course at your home page. Go down to the MS Teams link either under Events or in your sticky Post-it. Because I'm an ATS class with multiple groups in my class, mine is under Events. Right-click on the link and then copy the link address. Go over to the Google Sheet and then right-click and paste, or Control-V or Command-V and paste your link. Once again, you can go copy link address in your events or sticky Post-it and simply go back to the Google Sheet and paste it in. You could also use that copied link address and go to bit.ly or tinyURL and convert it to a short URL. Contact me with any questions.